Yes, I'm watching BM Samuel Badwam TV, Badwam so yada Apostle Doctor, Nita Kutegwase, Ninkranshensum. The Edu Sony, a Badwam Cassia and some in your Betty Mubini, Apostle Fuache, China 4 and 9B, Yabeka Hernia Waye, na ye dear bro. Now, Fay, a year deputy drip coordinator, and so since you know a buff from a jaitwa, or mehe na quine, as I said, no. Omefiase aye so adwuma no nsem na no pay medebro Adom TV Badwam Kasia wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube search Adom TV Tube na kwa adomonline.com ensemi ni nsem bebre ewo ho medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se de nsem ni chiremu ankasa etie aposifo akire Chinese 4 and 9 ni nyina ne se fema gudie pa ya mrani hu ene ne wormo ye wo Subin and Jimi ensuo ye wo atantam ye no adanse asokwa bensimo e wasantimantem
our Dominos Development Fund ano ene ne dom ena afei a policefo a wonom efri Asante South Regional Police Command ya Regional Operations Commander ASP Enoch Boating edi wonom animu no ene wo koye sa operation na emfa ho se wabra se ema wonum a wonfiri wo manmu enkokwaye ni mu nkonkoye small scale mining no na wonum edi se adwuma no ewo kwaye ni Chinese fo nan a wo kire wonum no osan so akire excavators du baako na excavators du baako no woyi emu nan akwa efiri hu se de be ya wontimi emfanye adwuma na enso e kan ye no nso wonum e de akwa kosi RCID ye wo be kwai osan so akire pump action guns miensa efiri sa enipa nan eho.
Deputy National Drip Coordinator was Southern Sector ye engineer Kwadwa Bwaje. Odi adesene to Ghana fo nyine ni munsi enya kumato ye mu na yenya abotre nso. Akwan no a bi asese nom ne ade nya ne kese ne nkuma wo ye communities nom ne ade no. Ensuo no ba fom pepepa wo mbehwe na wo bo de fidie no aba be faso. Ono abo apro akọ Adan East Adan West ene tema ene odani hu ne a ekoso odi nsemi etudwa.
We have equipment in our police station, which is one idea of somewhere. And there's so much equipment, they are more parking for safety. Safari in our police force. The second point is although it's a small space, the only thing is idea woman anyway is the equipment. They do baby the more about about 15 hours. So now issue get plan for the buy almost around all the equipment. Who will be almost starting so money equipment. And yes, ready some more fanya if you say Yama gauge plan for Babe service winning Yenya ye training drivers and operators and some all the districts in the whole country will be a packet scheduler GA plan for Babe service.
GA plan pool ena sadri pumfidie wo ho kwan se wosiesie na bra engineer Charles Kwesitei your head of technical operations ewo GA plant pool ene amani boni etwetwe nkomo obra wonom ekohwe mfidie ni nyina ewie no ene wodi tudwa se mfidie a wodi wani akohu ne die tibia ni nyina ewo mu no eye na wahye Ghanafoɔ nyina abose enche kura wonom ebe service machines ni nyina na ahyase akwakoyi akwan no se de be ya akoniabedie mu no manfo ho behare wono
akwanya ni nyina ewo yende ya ready say you be call all the districts and regions akwanya service but as we speak combine amanhyehyɛ sɛ bɛdia ɛmpaka machine drip national coordinator ɔno nso instruct sɛ dɛ obia ɛmpaka machine nti sɛ ɔno nso wɔ nhyehyɛeɛ a ɛsɛ obi gu akwanya Emma every operator any district and sana obama akwanya sɛ dɛ ɔno start use machine na afei yɛ so yɛ house asɛm machine yes before mo car say ɛmpaka your team, no technical team, around the country and the district, and making sure that your packing machine here is safe and secure. It's somewhere can be, but we are visited machines and safe hands.
Asante Achim Central, Mensin Mokrachi, Ebenezer Edu, na ne washe boss and your beye, Badwam won crew at me at Tumponadi, or her say, Obidi Hujuma.
The challenges are also your roads, ya kind 9 years Asante Achim Central. Ya kind 9. Ye need area back when I work as a me first of Unya Portos, ya kind. Baby crowd there, and yet cry. Ye need proper electrification, then oba sanitary conditions so and you need proper market infrastructure boreholes may ye madwin said before I mefia konjano so no me 120 boreholes me pese insu ebaha me manfo ye next vision ye be create job ye man na edudwa no some fans are omubetumi edi omudwa ye de nhihye bi ba ye be sponsor nkrofo to university omakoye medical program ubo homoden ye be sponsor brilliant by needy students no ye nkwala no ebie school no omokwa ye be say bia omochobos omo mattress any provisions bia be to provide no ye be provide me meye two partisan ejuma wa all inclusive adwin ni pa ba akotrim
Sukum penifo da St Augustine's College de isuhye bi ba se sachet water nom ne plastics no omo ba betwam school mu hokora mi se fie wo hokese pa ni gina sa issue ene ehun Robert no emunsem enie
me busy headmaster kura me to in there no sachet policy trade enom nsu was sachet mu wi pa fa rubber no bin wo fotum na biom so obeya fa wo bottled water I mean for container na for wunsu no fogum na fa sachet rubber no photo ama wan fan to akwan basabasa nti policy kula ya guda ya church mo famande obiara nya na bottled water no mfensu no fogum no nja plastic into bin no no nam do yutum supo ye da recycling amabimo
school ya fa to ne ho so a wodua kube o wo no mu school no animu ho no na wade to da say this is e sign ensanomo bia ahodo ya manfo esi e wo mpona no ho no mu nti wotwa kube dua a e wo ho no mu nyina egu fom no enya ade a esefata kora
unda so say ya pick around the places Kenya ye bodua ye nkube e wo hena mpo na imbe nkofo ashase de warrior pops na zo na so yani hena asase ya nhwene anje kidamanze me obese omani na asedi oye hena mpo na ntino ye rudi nkube wo yini ha yinara forestry department abring biara ye ayudua na yama ahayim hano I green to my yana color oxen until they made them to bezin and they say that I area until mo ma yan amafin
Sunyane Metropolitan Assembly penifo de kokoboy mu den ma de hye no se wo mo ahwe amwa won ho na won to fi no ase afutuo ne kasache de ma won nyina won mo anisodo ya ene be hye won ama wo mo de military ni police no abeka ho se be ya won be di hye no eso
who back when they say more shops e wo krom titrim shops in the omami they comply with the first directive say more shops na no pan then so the whole is a dodo na amma o mato shops ni mu no magya adwuma na mayankasa se enye adwuma no the trust me na me say who ni say ye nuanom chase na for commercial car users no ye can say fra no pan no sia kokoma no pan no ntu ken e ye no e mo obiara e move ni car se be won say car move ya na ye on extreme or exceptional cases. But you say almost all commercial activities in a cost. For a reason, the judge say, oh dear, yeah, Juma, I say, be interrupted, Jumana, yeah, driving drivers in a way, and I say, yeah, Chuk Sebi, a Bema Jumanaka say, a bass, a bayano, na a beco from Kakra. But the American say, Yamea Duma, was soon a dear enemy. Clean up a better sumias, and take clean up your bayonet. I will personally involve the security, the police service, and the army. It must say, Yamfa Aquania Sunemu Bia Mania say, clean up a tosso miensa ye be ye no bosom ye di enimi ne die yesre obiara mpiemra ahunide ya de ba ko hia me kese ehia ye regional minister ehia ye MP ehia sua minister assembly medan no se be stress se yi ekuakuo asojafo pie apolisifo fie fire service for ekuakuo ahodo semtwefo obi apie behwe se adwuma ne nkoye na ye na beka se fie ne generate ne kese no ye mpie ama ya ama na ampija na sa nyefa na entwe yi
Bonomantamu coordinator with Zoom Lion Ghana Limited ano Benedict Ewua esi sudua se wonu madwumakuo no aye krado wobeta aban ene mansini ahodo no nyina echi se de be ya wobehwa ma honedie abo man mu nyina
yo Zoom Lion ye ho na kakre wo mne se wona wona prapra bontin so no eye waifo no wo na mo contract 70 ama niema atosini kakra beno kura mpomu no abribia no ye boabo ma no kakra ye benya no ye hwe si ye betimi de wo mo aye adwuma ewo ye montin se ne be ya enwura no emu emfaso bebri aban ye nhihye se obeye ehon nhihye na companies awodo enso atimi aba sanitation industry enti enso aye krado aban enya ebie kwan ne se obia emepre a ye besan yakọ na yakọpre na ye de enim se yaboa ye ho asi na honedie sem ewo ye montin so ne so de ye betimi aye ni ama Ghana fu nyina so ani aso
Yeto Adom TV Badwam kase no so na pani a woda Stancock Foundation ena de nsama hodo to dwa wo sebeya obi biara ye wote memu ye nkro seye kuma seye akese mfasodie bi e wo so wono mu enya no eni ho kwan seye toto no ase eto tua hodo ni nyina no e wo se nya nsunsanso e wo emia anaye community sai wo mo munsem eni.
Week of action is a special day for Stancock Foundation. We are demanding the Global North and then World Bank to cancel the debt that Africans are owing, especially Global South, because it is what the big industries at the Global North that are affecting us, we those in the Global South. So the climate change, the impact and its effect is on us. And so the money that our Africans are owing, they should cancel that money so that they can use that money rather to develop our communities, because our communities are dying. You go to communities, there's no water, there's no toilet, people are defecating all over. So we are begging the Global North to bring the money that they promised we the Global South. Because they say every year they will bring some amount of huge, I've forgotten the figure. It's a big money. If that money should come, I think our leaders can use it to do a lot in our communities.
Headmaster Wadata Nyegbe Senior High School ano eche God's time siake kwawu ene amani boni twetwe nkomo a wono so echere de ke bi omufo ene aban eya ebetumi aboa ma adesua ho nsema konkan.
As I was saying, climate change has also affected the mental health of our staff and parents of our students. You know, some of these people have had to go and loan money from financial institutions. And in their investments, they have run at a loss. So it has affected them. We have parents of these